up, y'all?
Hey, y'all.
Hi.
You see my baby?
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Welcome to the Patterson family. What is it? MukBang. WingStop. WingStop finally got some cup holders. They never had cup holders before. But they finally got some cup holders.
I was going there and I've been carrying the drinks out with no cup holder. So
I got voodoo fries
I got
with some hot wings.
dark.
Mari got.
what you got tomorrow?
Yeah, tell me what you got, baby.
I got fish fry and chicken.
Chicken, yeah.
I was supposed to get 8 bone-in wings with Cajun,
Ew.
but they gave me boneless with voodoo fries, and I got fried corn too
But
with Cajun. But let me tell y'all something real quick. So it messed up. It was hot.
It's so hot.
They Rashad and Tamari didn't go in, so I went in because she didn't want to go in.
y'all
'cause
see
of her
my hair. Yeah, y'all
Well,
see
she
my
was showing
hair.
for a million people, but she won't go in.
Y'all
into
see
no
my
store.
hair. I'm hungry and I don't feel like doing my hair. I
So-
did my hair earlier, but I took it down because something. But yeah, so I didn't want to go in there.
So I go in there, do like
No.
he had to be the manager of the night. Sorry, I'm hungry, man. But he had to be the manager of the night. Cause he was like, name for the order. I was like, Bert. He's like, Bert, like B-E-R-T. I was like, yeah, Bert. He's like, that's a unique name. I'm like, hell yeah. So then I start ordering the food, whatever. And Rashad told me to get a brownie. She been saying she been having a headache lately. So I was like, what do you mean I'm gonna brownie for him? So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get a brownie. He was like, well, if you do the survey, I'll throw it in for free. I was like, all right, cool. Throw it in. I did the survey. Got my drinks and food and dip. But I'm just like, damn. It was good services overall. Or good service all around. It was just like, damn. They did me dirty with the what I wanted. Fam got what they wanted. I just wanted the ball in.
These wings, usually when we go and get Wingstop, I usually get bone out. I've never had Wingstop with bone in. This is like my first time. And I gotta say it's pretty good.
I got.
Oh, I was just about to ask you my little roll. I love they rolls when it's cooked right, okay? But this is my first time actually having the bone in, and I gotta say it's not bad. I actually like my chicken and my wings a little well done to have that crispy outside, and that's how this is. So I'm actually satisfied with it. And the reason why I get bone out usually when I go to WingStop is because I don't like. I know that was random, but it was like a mosquito or something. But I don't like others people's wings. I only like me and Lavert's wings, my mom's, my sister's. Oh my God, her wings. We'll probably do a MukBang with her wings. Her wings, you probably won't hear no talking. Or MukBang. It's MukBang. I keep saying mud bucket. But overall, it's pretty good. This voodoo fries.
The voodoo fries is good.
They're good.
It's my second time. I don't know. Do they come with ranch?
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Which one is spicy?
That's what they forgot on mine.
They come with ranch, yeah. Ranch, buffalo, and cheese.
Yeah, I forgot the buffalo.
I have a soda, but I'm not gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink water first because doctor's orders. But yeah, so story time. What story you want to tell? Like how we met? Tacos?
No, you're not taco.
Look at this one. She thinks she know it all.
You're not taco.
But
You're not taco.
so how I met my husband. I was online on Plenty of Fish. All y'all know their website. Plenty of Fish.
Found Plenty of Fish.
I was just searching through, pictures. You know what we do, ladies. You know. I was searching through and I saw his picture. And I'm gonna tell you, I always tell him this. In this picture, he looked totally opposite than what his actual personality is. He looked like a straight gangster.
What the fuck?
He had a white tall tee on, and it was just like, and he was just looking like real, looking real
So my
thuggish.
parents.
So his appearance caught my attention first. I hadn't talked to him in any. So then I messaged him. I was like, "Hey, what's up? I'm Ray," and he was like, "I'm Vert. I'm the Vert, but people call me Vert, and this and this." And we just
No, you're not.
hit it off from there. Like that's.
No,
We just kept talking. How long we talking?
You talking for like a joke. What? Like when we was talking, just chatting, or
Yeah,
just
like
talking?
when we was just talking, like for a good year.
Mm-hmm.
It was like for a good year we was talking, text messaging, and like for a cool minute, no lie, my phone, I was still living with my parents, and they was paying my bill, and I had got in an argument with my mom and dad, and they didn't want to pay my phone bill. So at that time he was like, "Give me your number," and I was like, "You know what? No, I can't. My phone's off." And he thought that I was saying that because I didn't know him. I didn't really want to give him my number or whatever, but that wasn't the case. I was literally telling him my phone was off and I couldn't do it. So for a minute we was talking through there, and then finally my phone got turned on, maybe about a month later, and then we was texting first for a cool minute, and then it jumped into phone calls, and then we had planned to see each other.
Or somebody was too.
No, forget that. We had planned to see each other because I lived here in Texas and he lived in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And I had a homegirl who would drive back and forth, swoop me up. We go over to her place, kick it, have fun, da da da. So I was like, "Hey, let's go over there and meet up with these dudes or whatever." So me and my homegirl drove to her place. She picked me up. We drove over there. I was messaging him all day. I'm like, "I'm with my girl. You gotta spend time with your girls first. Girls before niggas." And
So we me and my homeboy waiting.
we was
No, we gonna be there. We gonna be there.
I kept texting like, "We're gonna be there." I went over there I got over there about.
But we thought it was gonna be some early shit. This was we planned this is at
I had got over there
7 o'clock.
Maybe 3 o'clock.
Booty
Right.
AKA booty call.
No, 3. No, I'm talking about when I got to Las Cruces. It was 3 o'clock, and me and her was just
In the morning?
in the afternoon. And me and her was just let's go pop a bottle, let's smoke. We was let's do it before we go see these niggas. And I was like, okay, cool. So we went, we got my favorite drink, which was Hypnotic. We got some blunts, and we was just smoking and drinking. And then time was just rolling down, tick, 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 tick. And he was texting me, and I was just like, okay, we're going to come through, woo, woo. And next thing you know, it's 11:30. It's 11:30. So I'm like, "Hey, we on the way." And he gave me a text message, and he was like, "All right, cool." I was like, "Where you at?" And then he told me the address. So we pulled up to the address, and me and my homegirl,
swear up and down.
we pulled up to the address. Me and my homegirl was looking, and I was like, "I think it's that one with the door open," but he didn't give me a apartment number. I was like, "I think it's that one with the door open," and she was like, call him. So I kept calling and texting. right? So he wasn't answering, so I was like, fuck it, we're gonna go back to the crib and do what we was doing. Fast forward next day.
Nah, go back. Cause while we was waiting on them, me and my homie crashed. Like, we crashed the fuck out.
Tamari, what are you doing? Sit down, eat the food.
We crashed out.
I'll say for later.
Okay.
And we was like, damn, when I woke up,
Okay.
I like, hey, what the hell? Like,
Okay.
it was already
Wait a
late.
minute.
And I'm glad I didn't meet her
then.
then. Like,
Had brought the biggest bottle of Hypnotic and finished it between me and her, and then we had like two bloods passed around between the two of us. We was done. So it was like fate that we didn't meet up at that time, like, because it probably would have been a bad impression on my part to him, and then it probably just would have been like, to be honest with you, a one night stand type situation. And then so anyway, look, y'all all done. I still got a full plate.
oh no wonder why she didn't drink the lemonade.
It's nasty.
Lemonade, alright. It was a little watered down.
But so going forward, he ended up going to back home to Cincinnati, and we were still talking, and like
Well, it's not considered home, but that's where my mom.
that's where his people live. And he went back there, and I was like, okay, well, if you go there, you know, I'm not gonna be sitting around playing housewife. We'll be waiting.
She was waiting for a nigga though. He was waiting for a nigga
No, I
though.
wasn't.
Who was you talking to then?
I was talking to a few niggas. Don't ever get it twisted.
She was talking to a few niggas. That's what she said.
Whatever. But
Her heart was still with a nigga like me. So what she talking about?
I care for him, of course. We have been talking for like a year and a half now. But I ain't even seen you once in person. I wasn't waiting. I ain't one of these catfish niggas. You know what I'm saying?
Catfish niggas. Now she's just trying to sell the story, guys.
No, I'm not. I'm dead serious. So he left. We stayed in contact. He came back. I actually was going to school at MSU, and he was like, "Well, I'll come back. Like, I'll come back. I have a job lined up. I have a place to stay. I can come back."
Yeah, like I knew people that was already there, and it was just because in my situation, there was a lot of stuff going on. I had my own apartment, my first apartment at that, and people I was with kind of messed up for me. So I got evicted. And it wasn't even for like non-pay, not paying rent. It was more for like disturbing the peace type shit.
Mm-hmm.
And so I didn't have nowhere else to go, and I was traveling with a few homies, and like we would basically, you might as well just call that shit homeless, cause it was a homie who had a spot, and we was staying there, but there was no water, no electricity. There was no shit up there, so we was just like stranded and trying to look for things to do. I had to go to work, and I was like, damn, well I can't continue to live like this. I had nobody to stay with, so I had to travel back to Cincinnati, man, and I was gonna start fresh over there, like. But I always wanted to. The only reason why I came back is for this one right here.
That's why you told me you came back for me. Oh. But so yeah, he came, and I was like, look, like for a week you can stay in the dorms. Like my roommate was one of my best friends, so and I stayed in the dorms on campus, and we had like an apartment style dorm. So I had my room, she had her room. We shared a bathroom. There was a living room and a kitchen. So I was like, you can come stay with me and for a week, and then you can go do about your business. And then he was like, okay, cool. So he came, and we just basically like hit it off bat. Like we've been together literally since we've been together. Like we might have had like a few burgers where I'm down with you for a week, but we're still going over to each other's houses and doing what we do, but it's literally been Now we're going on 8 years together. Almost a full 10 years. So,
Don't let me, Daddy.
So yeah.
it's a love story.
So we're good together. Have a child. Have a child, I should say.
Hot.
4-year-old.
Yeah.
And we're just trying to
Mom, I want to make you
be us. Be happy.
Let me make you
But when I got out there, he was trying to skip the glory.
Let me make
What?
you
She was all
another
like suited up. She got a red shirt on, hair was slicked back in a ponytail, skirt on. Like she was all trying to impress a
No,
She was all trying to impress a nigga.
This,
And
Stop
you know, we
it.
were trying to show me what's going on. And I go inside, drop my bags off and stuff. She like, I was like, I'm hungry, man. She was like, I got some tacos. I made some tacos. I was like, well, can I get some tacos, man? She was like, you sure you want some tacos?
No, I didn't.
She was like, you sure you want some tacos? Right?
No, I didn't. I just sat down like, oh, because I had this little dresser. It was like the dresser that they gave us in the room. And I sat, as you sat up on there.
She sat up on
And he came over and he gave me a kiss and he was like, I was like, oh, so you want me to make you some tacos? He was like, I don't know if I want them tacos right now. And I was like, it kind of just went left from there. So, and let's just say we didn't make it to the tacos that night.
We did make it to the tacos, but after.
Like hours later. Like, he got there what time? He got there late as fuck, though.
I didn't get there. It was still early. It was like probably like 5, 6.
No, it wasn't. It was
Because you know what?
No, you're
Beforehand-
lying. Because
beforehand,
it
I
was
was
pitch
chilling.
black out. It was pitch black outside. And that's how y'all
So-
couldn't find the place.
I stopped. So me and my homie Hugo, shout out to Hugo. We stopped at our homie's house, and shout out to Hyman, cause I didn't see the homie. So he's like, "Come over here first, man. Before you over there, bro." And I was like, "Look, she talking about girls before bros and shit. It was bros over bros. You feel me?"
Yeah, whatever. He just don't want to say what he thinks, baby.
So we
You
got.
know
So I
you'll
got over
smack
there.
if he said.
I was chilling with my boy Hugo, Hyman, and a few other people, I think it was, and we was over there smoking, and we was sipping a little bit, and made it. I probably was over there for like maybe an hour, tops 2 hours, and I had it over there. But I had just got in town not too long ago. Like I just got into town like
What's that?
that day, so it was just some people who wanted to see me before I went ghost for a whole week. It was with this lady right here, you feel me? So that's what happened.
But that's the story of just how we met. And, you know, like when tacos come up,
Stop, man.
when tacos come up, it's kind of like a remembrance for that because he was so like, he was like, you gonna make me some tacos? And I was like, yeah, I got you on some tacos and stuff like that. And then not even to end up eating them until hours later. So it was a nice remember. Like our relationship literally was that campus. Like, cause he would come over or he would be there. He came like Sunday. He left like Saturday or something like that. Cause I think he started work like Monday or even Sunday or something. And we was there. I would go to school, come out,
I'm
be
going
with him,
to
and
I'm going to Mommy.
like it was just crazy. We would eat,
Mommy,
sleep, wake
I'm
up.
going to school, Daddy.
You are going to
You
school.
are going to school, boo boo butt. Yeah, but it's just it's been a ride for the past going on 8 years together, full 8 years. We just hit our 7-year mark. June 27th. No, June 25th.
June 20th.
June 27th is when we got married, but we started talking June 25th.
No.
We were trying to make our marriage
59.
date and our
No,
other date lineup, but it didn't. But yeah. So June 25th,
59.
June 27th, married for 2 years now. We've been married 2 years, but we've been together and known each other about 8 years. So yeah, that's the story of how we met. We're done eating. We're about to get ready for bed. We got work tomorrow. I gotta take whatever I put. I think I put them over there. And I gotta get some rest. So thanks again for coming to Raise. I'm about to say Raise.
Look, trying to stay down.
It's because I have my own channel, but thanks for coming to the Patterson family. Ray and Vert, we love you. We appreciate you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.